Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success EDUTECH. Today we are watching GK questions for kids between 8 to 10 years old students. In which direction does the sun rise? East. Which is the world's largest flower? Answer: Rafflesia. How many zeros are there in 100,000? 5. How many hours in there in 2 days? 48 hours. How many months of the year have 31 days? 7 years. 7 months: January, March, May, July, August, October, and December. How many weeks are there in 1 year? 52. Which are the colors in a rainbow? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. How many bones does an adult human have? 206. Who was the first man to work on the moon? Neil Armstrong. How many millimeters are there in 1 centimeter? 10 millimeters. Which is the nearest star to planet Earth? Sun. Which is the longest river on the earth? Nile. Which is the principal source of energy for Earth? Sun. How many lungs does the human body have? 2 lungs. What is the standard test of the water? Water is tasteless. Which is the tallest mountain in the world? Mount Everest. Which is the fastest animal on the land? Cheetah. Which is the continent is known as a dark continent? Africa. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars. Which is the most sensitive organ in our body? Skin. Which is the largest ocean in the world? Pacific Ocean. Which day is observed as a World Environmental Day? June 5. How many years are there in a century? 100. Which is the largest country in the world? Russia. Who invented the computer? Charles Babbage. How many players are there in a cricket team? 11. Which day is observed as World Literacy Day? September 8. Who is the inventor of radio? Marconi. Which place is known as the root of world? Tibet. How many teeth does a healthy adult have, including the wisdom teeth? 32 teeth. Which gas is most abundant in Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. How many peoples are there in the world? Over 7 billion. Which is the continent with the number of countries? Is the most number of countries? Africa. Which is the most common non-contagious disease in the world? Tooth decay. How many strings does a violin have? 4 strings. How many planets are there in solar system? 8 planets. Which is the hottest continent on earth? Africa. Which is the smallest continent in the world? Australia. How many years are there in millennium? 1000. Which country is home of kangaroo? Australia. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Leonardo da Vinci. Who invented the telephone? Alexander Graham Bell. What does the internet prefix www stand for? World Wide Web. Who How much of Earth's surface covered by ocean? 71%. Who discovered penicillin in 1928? Alexander Fleming. How many stars are there in American flag? 50 stars.